Hey friends, how are you all? So today I'm going to be going over and reviewing these gorgeous pumps. I was gifted these and I cannot stop wearing them, literally with casual outfits, or even like you dress them up. You can literally wear them with jeans and they look good. So they're just a small heel, but the padding inside is everything, makes them super comfortable and easy to wear. They are made for kind of every size foot. They fit wide feet really well as well. The arch support is amazing, and just the quality of them are wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try them on for you. I'm going to show you how to walk in them. They are probably my absolutely favorite pumps. I like to wear them if I'm going out with friends or whatnot because I know I'm going to be comfortable. These pumps are everything. I am a short girl, and so the shorter heel is way better for me because I feel like it just gives it a little bit of a nice touch, but you're not overgoing with how big the heel is. Super comfortable. Like seriously, I could probably walk around all day in these. And I usually do not say that about heels. These are just so comfortable. All of their shoes are amazing. They have the fastener that you can adjust, and that's comfortable as well. It's not really harsh on the top of your foot. I mean, it's super comfortable. These are amazing. The quality, they come in different colors. This is the black pair. And look at that. Oh my goodness. So cozy and comfortable. I'm going to do my little foot dance here. These are so cozy. Okay. And let me show you how to walk in them. Walk, walk, bow, bow, bow. Honestly, these are perfect for a business casual look, a